Gomez. In this space, we will talk about obesity and the life expectancy of people who suffer from it, among other factors related to the subject. Obesity and nutritional breaking point. In the community, there is great concern about the increase in case of obesity. So it's essential to make changes that generate more favorable figures for future generations. Nutrition is a subject that remains on hold in most homes. So, nutrition education and interest in individual fitness is a challenge for all institutions and organizations dedicated to talking about obesity. Obesity as a starting factor for other diseases. The diseases that are generated due to obesity can wreak havoc in future generations due to the nutritional inheritance of different families in the community. Obesity can cause diseases such as diabetes, hyperglycemia, heart disease, stroke, kidney disease, nerve problems, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, coronary heart disease, some cancers, and others. Obesity during pregnancy increases the risk of developing health problems such as preeclampsia and the development of gestational diabetes. Nutrition, the face of health in the community, is more important because the culture, lifestyle, and nutrition of the community are reflected in the health statistics related to obesity. Obesity can reduce the life expectancy of the community, so community nutrition must be evaluated to change the foods offered by shop for more convenient options for everyone's health. Programs carried out in the community can help deal with that disease and make everyone aware of the need to promote programs that help the community to reduce risk factors. On the other hand, obesity at a psychological and social level. This health problem generates insecurity, depression, isolation for people with obesity, as well as bullying and the rejection tied to the lack of information and guidance for the community in general. Psychological care for people who have obesity can achieve significant changes in the person's behavior. Honestly, I believe that nutrition is the face of health in the community because culture, lifestyle, and education really reflect in general statistics. We can all see that promoting progress makes a big difference in reducing risk factors. Big steps make big changes, therefore, learn to properly nourish yourself and exercise with exercise. Develop awareness of the dangers of obesity and live with your family members about obesity and its consequences. Help others understand the most important aspect of obesity. Support programs that help address obesity problems and that improve prevent and treat the disease early. Participating in health campaigns make us active citizens who want to achieve the changes we need as society. Besides, we must recognize obesity as a risk factor and begin to modify our nutrition, eating bad habits, and our attitude towards participation in various campaigns that focus on everyone's must be the change we want to see. Thank you for your time.